Hi, my name is Alexandra Diem. I am the head of cloud analytics and machine learning operations at Gjensidige, an insurance company in Norway. And I like to drink my coffee black.
What are some ways that you recognize if you're building the right thing as opposed to the thing right?
Yeah, so that's the biggest one is basically this hypothesis testing approach. I also actually fell into this pitfall when I had my first data science project as a consultant. And then basically the problem was that there wasn't my company basically gave it away for free as a test to a client that we had a lot of other projects with. And so then a group that didn't know what they wanted a data scientist for was basically thrown at my feet. And I was supposed to try and figure out what we can use and what we can do for them. And so in the beginning, it's very easy then to basically get stuck into data exploration forever and forever. And you could do data exploration, for a long, long time. But once we started switching over to hypothesis-based testing and just talking to the customer more and involving them very closely, then we actually started being able to generate some value for them. So the long story short basically is that we always involve our stakeholders from the very beginning. And we spend a lot of time at the beginning also trying to come up with several hypotheses that we can test, that the owner for the model or for the business value would see as valuable.
Yeah, and that was my question is the customer, you say the customer, is it just another person in the business or is it an end user from the product itself?
Yeah, so for us, it's often the owner of let's say, for example, an end solution within our company. So we have, if I use as an example, a model factory for generating sales leads for our customer service advisors, then the owner of that would be the sales centers or those people managing the sales centers, because they are the ones that rely on these leads that the models generate. It's also a little bit more complicated with us because my team, for example, doesn't own any of the models or any of the solutions that we help develop. We're basically a pure enabling team. So all of our models are owned by analytics teams that sit in the business units. So for example, either in private insurance or in commercial insurance. So they would own the models. And we basically enter temporary collaborations with these teams. So usually 2 of my team will work together with 2 of the analytics team. And then together they will work on usually a minimum viable product first of a solution together. And then depending on how much time there's left, they will improve on it. And then during this collaboration, my guys will teach the analytics team how to write clean code, how to collaborate with code, and so on and so forth, so that then the analytics team is able to own and maintain their own solutions. And so we then basically pull out and work with the next team.